here in contention of.
Alex Ngeno obliterated a long field to cut the tape in 1 minute 45.01 seconds and win the 500 meters race ahead of Nicholas Cabernet and Timothy Cheruiyot in Ulinzi at the Ulinzi Sports Complex Track and Field Athletics Championship.
They go into the men there, just 200 meters run here and another 600 meters to go. Look out there for Timothy Cheruiyot from Kenya Prisons, who is currently leading. For attack here, as you can see, all the athletes they are lining up, trying to overtake him. Timothy Cheruiyot there, shoulder to shoulder there with Cabernet. It is Collins two-way there. But look at Timothy Cheruiyot. It is Collins two-way there from KDF. The homeboy there who's currently leading. And Alex Ngeno as well there from Prisons. It is Alex Ngeno from Prisons there who's coming in. Alex Ngeno is pushing here for victory. Alex Ngeno. He came from nowhere, Alex Ngeno, the national champion from Prisons. And he stomps to victory there, Mr. Alex Ngeno. What a well-judged race there from Mr. Alex Ngeno running for Prisons. He finished...
Athletics national soccer team Harambee Stars coach Engine